you realize the trouble you're in? Do you know where you are?
Do you know where you are?
Son, you are in the sheriff's department, and I am the sheriff.
Sheriff?
Did I stutter? I said sheriff. You're in deep trouble. In order for me to help you, you gotta help me by telling me what you and your brother have been doing this last year. Anything. The one thing I do have is time. Whenever you're ready. I'm getting very impatient.
What we did, Sheriff. It was my brother who did most of the killing. I helped out. He got them all. He did. It was only natural. You don't know the true meaning of terror, Sheriff. I can tell you everything. I see you got your friend Leatherface. What's this gonna bring out? I didn't get anything today. Nothing. What did you get? Pa would not be proud. Hey, hear me, Leatherface? Dumb boy. What would Pop have to say? He's dead. That's right. That's right. You prepared us something. You do it. You do it.
You are 1-6, son of a bitch. Marty, how you holding up?
I've been better. He's ready to be transferred, Sheriff.
Alright, you heard him. Let's go. Now, I'm not in the mood for games now.
Games here. You remember what I did to your friend?
Now, we can do it easy or hard. Your choice.
Leatherface! Oh, Leatherface! What are you doing? You have to peel this first. Listen to me, boy. There's a good thing of me right here. You go do that, Leatherface. You go do your job. I gotta go home. Hello?